Alright, so now the car's here. One of the first things I'm going to do is wash the car. And with all the issues, you're probably wondering why. Well, if you're leaning against the car, it's much better to have a clean car instead of getting filthy and dirty. Plus, you never know what else came from the previous owner. Spider webs, rat poop, whatever. So I'm going to do that. Plus, it gives me an extra chance to look the car over and see what else it needs. The interior here is absolutely filthy. You can see dead spiders there, there. Normal crap on the floor, but you never know what else is living down there. That white sheen you see, that's not just reflected light. It actually has a coating on there. Look at the center console here. Yuck. You can see over there we do have some manuals. I know that doing an initial cleaning on the car isn't the sexiest content out there, but it's the first place to start on any project. By the way, did I tell you that we're naming this Project Storm? I'm washing the car with Optimum No Rinse Wash because the car isn't drivable yet, so this lets me wash it in the garage without getting water everywhere. I also don't know the condition of the window and door seals, so this minimizes the water that can get into the car. After that, I'll be vacuuming up the loose dirt and trash in the car. I'm saving a full detail for further down the line after the car is running. I'll leave a link for the O&R and other products I'm using in the description below. Cue the music! Okay, so two of my favorite features on this car. Number one is this edgeless rear glass. I think that is super cool. Not many cars have that. Look at that, that is just really cool. Number two are these rear vents, and I actually don't know what they're for. I've had a lot of cars, but the only thing I can think of is the vents for when you close the door to let air out. Those are typically found behind the rear bumper, but because this is a older, smaller car, they could have maybe put them there instead.